Assalamu alaikum. To create full rectangle on screen, select color according to footage. I will select yellow warm color. Click OK. Drag mouse from corner till end to create shape layer. Now I will blend this color by selecting the blending mode. So let's check which suits. I think the soft light will be better. Yes, that's I will adjust color slightly according to the background footage. Adjust timeline on 7 minute 21 second to create transition. Select white color to create another shape layer and okay. Then drag mouse on frame so we can get the white screen. Press Ctrl Shift D, cut the layer and then adjust the opacity to 0 and add a keyframe to blend. To extend time of stock footage, first right click on footage layer, then go to time and then click enable time limit. Drag layer from end to extend the time. Drag the keyframe. Now we adjust ending keyframe from smooth. Opacity 100%. Now the rendering part, click export file, click Adobe Media Encoder. Now we will render it in Adobe Media. Click match source. Check the preset setting. Save path, just the preset. If you want to adjust the size of file, you can adjust the target bit rate for file size. Click OK. First we use the preset. To render, now click green play button to render. As you can see, rendering is finished. And this is the final.